One of the most recognizable activists in Lexington is on trial this week for charges related to the racial justice protests in the summer of 2020.
Sarah Williams was one of more than a dozen people arrested then, but she's the only one who has not pleaded guilty or entered a diversion program.
LEX 18's Mike Valenti joins us live outside the Fayette County Courthouse, where the first day of her trial just wrapped up. Mike, what is Williams accused of in this case?
Yeah, Sean, Angie, good evening. The prosecution is really focusing on a span of several days in June of 2020 when they portray Sarah Williams as a protest leader who was trying to gin up anger in the large crowd and encourage people to defy police orders. But even by the prosecution's own admission, Williams is not accused of acting violently in any way or causing damage to any property. Williams is charged with 5 misdemeanor counts, including inciting a riot, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. Fayette County Attorney Larry Roberts says, among other things, Williams encouraged protesters to breach a police barricade by cutting zip ties. Williams' defense attorney, meanwhile, argues this is all a show about nothing and called his client a political prisoner. Much of Roberts' case today centered around the night Sarah Williams was arrested, hours after he claims she incited a riot.
She said, I didn't do this. That wasn't my call. April made that call. You got the wrong person. It was my identical sister who did that. She's the one who did this. I was at the courthouse. And you'll hear that. Well, that's not true. That's not true, folks. She did do it. Both of them did it. And we're trying her.
Her words, you won't like them. Most of the time, I don't either. That doesn't make her a criminal, though. So that's what this case is about. The lens. Whose privilege, whose oppression, whose ideology, who's going to prevail over who. And in the end, we're going to walk away with a win.
Now, there was a curious moment that unfolded after opening statements wrapped up. The judge asked Williams' sister, who was sitting in the gallery, April Taylor, to approach the bench. You remember Taylor was arrested that night in June as well. She was served with a subpoena to testify against her sister, Sarah. That appeared to be a surprise to the defense. Taylor was visibly upset, said this was a product of racism, and stormed out. Now, both sides will reconvene tomorrow morning in the courtroom at 8 a.m. to discuss this issue about the subpoena. I did have a chance to catch up with Williams after the trial ended for the day. She told me she believes her sister will invoke the 5th. We're live in Lexington. Mike Valenti, LEX 18 News.